that the interests of justice do not require a neutral.
Wagwan, my people. As you can see, Vybz Kartel is now free. Gaza Nation has celebrate. The world has celebrate. Everybody has celebrate. I want to just watch this video and make a react to and see how the fans them react to Vybz Kartel being free. Watch the video, people.
You cannot do anything without God. That's where I start. I'm going to use the word happy for the appellants. I'm going to let the Jamaican people know that although there's fixing for the justice system, the Constitution work, it has always been our belief. And I want to thank the team, Mr. Clark, Mr. Bish, Mr. Chevalier, and myself for the hard work that we put into it. It was a long fight, many years, many things came from it, but we are now here awaiting the release of Adidja Palmer.
What time is Kartel be free?
That has to happen
Today?
The process has started, and we would hope today because the Constitution said something about that.
No, the judge said that he's free.
The judge says he's free.
So the question now,
yes.
Is that what time?
People, and do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, people. Thump up the like button. Give me some likes on the video so that video go to the world, to more people as on yourself. Okay, people? Jamaica Vybz TV. Alright, people, jump back in the video. Yeah, people, so we see now where Vybz Kartel is being escorted by the police. Yeah, the police, they might escort Vybz Kartel, man. I want to check it out, you see me?
Kartel have to drop a road today. Me tell you, say forever, yesterday or today. Don't me telling the people.
Anytime now, my brother. Anytime now. Cairo. Godson, my brother. I be gay bodies flying up them in your
Big up Mad Sauce, big up Siva, and big up Father God.
Big up Maidan. Big up Maidan.
Remember now, TJ this, you know. Bun politics and a PG this, you know. My brother from another mother. Yeah, man, I love them youth, man. Them youth, they run from the one through the fight, through the struggle, right, true. And to the victory. Yeah, man. Right. I talk about God is the greatest. Love you, bro. Love you, my brother.
One done. I'm a baby. Kiss me, baby.
Yeah, people, look how the brother go and people are celebrating at the street for the freedom of Vybz Kartel. People are dance, people are jubilee, people are celebrating in all type of ways, my people. You know the people I'm happy. Free world boss, Gaza Nation. Do your thing, my brother, watch it. Whoa, full of style. And the new dance that for Kartel, freedom dance that. Yeah. What do you think, my brother? Lord. Yeah, people, do remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. You feel me? Jaja. You see, check it out, people. The brother do him thing.
Jamaica, you know, J movements in a real life. Pant the Gaza, big up world boss. The boss free and them for know.
Tell us the beautiful ladies go shine, man. Look, boy. We don't know what them are. Remember, Johnny and who that? Right from the Gaza. Waterfall. My people, them happy people, them just have all the energy. And I easy. What do you mean? I don't to the side, one move. I move to the side.
Teacher, Bumbo class. Remember that?
I'm here to tell you.
One way Gaza. One way Gaza. Another way the wrong way Gaza forever. Vybz Kartel life.
Well, my people, thank you for watching the video. As we say, it's National Vybz Kartel Day. Free the boss, world boss is free. We no longer have to say free Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is free. Vybz Kartel is free. And support the Gaza nation. You feel me? Now Vybz Kartel, the only thing I have to do is just get help to my brother and forward back and take over the space. The king has returned. The king has returned. Yeah. King has returned. That's all we have to say. Big up Vybz Kartel and much respect. You feel me? Yeah. And that's what we have to say now, people. And with that, we have to leave it at that. You feel me? Remember, subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Jamaica Vybz Entertainment TV. And we out.